Hi Sir Sherwin Trinidad, good evening. My name is John Paulo Niedo from BSAMT 4th year, a graduating student. Rotation and absolute relative motion are fundamental concepts in physics and kinematics. Here's a breakdown both to demonstrate familiarity. So today we will discuss about rotation and absolute relative motion. So what is rotation? Rotation refers to the motion of an object around a central point or axis. This motion described using terms like angular displacement, angular velocity, and angular accelerations. So what are the key points of this rotation? So the key points is angular displacement, the angle through which a point or line has been rotated about a fixed point or axis. Angular velocity, the rate at which an object rotates around an axis. So measured in radians per second. And angular acceleration is the rate at which the angular velocity changes over time. First, a chord is a wrap around a wheel in figure 16-5, which is initially at rest when zero radius is a force is applied to the chord and gives it an acceleration for ms2, where t is in seconds determined as a function of time, and at the angular velocity, the wheel and angular position of line OP in radians. So here's the solution of the problem. So the problem is the wheel is subjected to rotation about a fixed axis passing through points. So those point P on the wheel has a motion about a normal components. The tangential component is EPN 40 motion seconds 2. Since the chord is wrapped around the wheel, moves tangent to it, hence the angular acceleration. So first the AP, A radius, this one, A radius and 40 ms2 is equals to 0.2 meters. And acceleration of 20 time radius seconds, third is W dt and 20 t radius to 2. Weight or over time, this is the 20 dt weight and 10 radius to rads. And while the dimension is the 0 plus weight, then 10 radius to rads. And it will become 3.333 rad. So I hope you learned something from me. Thank you for listening. And once again, my name is John Paulo Niedo. Thank you for listening, Sir Sherwin. I hope you learned something from me. And